Hello everyone, this is Rachel here from Diploma MSc. Today I am going to be talking to you about the 5 top tips for doing online study. As you can see, I'm currently working from home, as I'm sure a lot of you are during this current situation, so I hope these tips help. Tip number 1, manage your time effectively. With Diploma MSc, there are no scheduled lectures, seminars or tutorials, so your learning is entirely self-motivated and relying on your discipline. Because of this, it's essential that you create a study timetable or a routine by committing a certain number of hours each day to your study. We also advise that you create a calendar as well, so you can keep an eye on any assignments or deadlines that are coming up. At Diploma MSc, we actually use something called Trello, which is an organisational tool. This is incredibly beneficial. You can actually use different columns and sections. And if you enjoy colour coordinating like myself, you can do that as well. It's a great way to see what stuff you have going on and the best way to manage this. Tip number 2, utilise all resources available to you. If there's help, make sure you take it. At Diploma MSc, we have a dedicated student support team who are on hand to guide you through the online learning process. So if you're having difficulties accessing any resources or you need help at all, they are there for you. If you're stuck, just ask. Number 3, connect with others. Online learning is a great way of networking, especially with people in your own field and other healthcare professionals across the world. We encourage you to talk to your fellow students and engage in conversation so that you're able to draw on one another's professional experience and use this to learn. Number 4, create good learning habits. We all know how distracting a mobile or TV can be when we're learning, so make sure that you step away from these and they are switched off. By minimizing these distractions, you're able to focus more on your work. In the same way as if you were studying a course in person, we also advise that you do not put everything off to the last minute. By starting your assessments early and spreading your workload, this will make everything a lot more manageable and cause you a lot less stress in the long run. And finally, tip number 5, figure out your working style. Everyone is different, so make sure you find a pattern that works for you. For example, you might like working outside, or you might enjoy studying in the middle of the night. And that's absolutely fine. This is the beauty of online learning. It's flexible and can be tailored to your needs. It gives you the freedom to choose when, where, and how you want to learn. And so make sure you use this to your advantage. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you found these tips useful. If you've got any comments or questions, then please do feel free to get in touch. You can also visit our website on www.diploma-msc.com. Thank you, and see you soon.